I wanted to show you what doing an Edpuzzle video looks like from a student's point of view. So this is a video that I show when we're studying mixtures in my class, and you can see that the video has 4 questions that are embedded within it. By the way, this information up here would not be viewable to the student. You can only see that because I'm in my teacher account. I'm going to play this video until we get to the second question to show you some of the features of Edpuzzle.
The world we live in is made of things. Billions and billions of different things, like pickles and pianos, dump trucks and octopi. And even though these things seem totally different, they're all made of the same stuff, just combined in different ways. To give you an idea of how this combining works, let's take something apart. Let's start with this bowl of macaroni salad. If you were to reverse a recipe for macaroni salad, you'll see it's made by mixing together a bunch of ingredients, like macaroni, mayo, vinegar, vegetables, and mustard. This type of combining is called a mixture. When you make a mixture, you're combining 2 or more things together without actually changing the chemical identity of those things.
So then the question comes up and the students will read that and they'll pick the answer. Then they click submit. It'll let them know whether or not they have the right answer as indicated by this green arrow. And then they click continue.
Like mud, for example. The soil and water in mud haven't actually changed. They're still soil and water. You've just created a mixture of soil and water. Mud. It turns out that macaroni salad is actually a mixture of mixtures, because many of the ingredients, like mayo and mustard, are already mixtures themselves, which is nice for us because if we look closely, we'll see the 3 main types of mixtures that exist. The size of the particles in a mixture determines the type of mixture. On one
So then we have new questions. Now another feature of Edpuzzle that I really like is if at this point, if a student reads this and then they say, oh man, I don't know the answer to that, I didn't hear it, maybe I was distracted, they can click this blue button down here, which means they get to re-watch the portion.
Like mud, for example.
And I say portion because notice it didn't start all the way back at the beginning. It started from where the last question was, because the answer to this question was contained within this part of the video. And this is a really nice feature that Edpuzzle offers. And so I have created an assignment that I feel like supports my curriculum very, very well and gives students just an extra chance to really understand the material that I'm teaching.